Hi, Zaya. Hi, honey. Oh, do you want to coo at Nan Nan? Say hi, Nan Nan. Hi, Nan Nan. Oh, are you feeling fussy? Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, gaga goo. Goo goo to you. Goo goo to you. Oh, you have the hiccups. Oh, no. Oh, no. Those hiccups. No fun. What are those brothers doing? Opening a box. They're opening a box. Uh-oh. Baby down. You opened up the cat litter? Okay. That's fine. If you open the box, but don't open the actual cat litter, okay? Yeah, the shipping box is good. The inside box, no.
I think you can move the inside box out. And then we can play with the box.
Zaya.
Should we do that?
Take the inside box out so you can play with the outside box?
Yeah.
Sure.
Let's pause our video. Making the video.
I was still videoing Zaya. Hiccup. Hiccup. Little tootsies. Little face. Hi.
Little face.
Let's see your little hand. Oh, yes. Look at that tiny little hand. What a sweet girl. Okay. Later, Missy.
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye, camera.